Okay, I'm currently setting you on a candle on a shelf. I know this is probably gonna be very random for all of you, but I have a very busy week coming up, and I decided, you know what, I had so much fun vlogging when I was in Mexico. I'm just gonna post some vlogs. Hopefully you guys like this content. It's a little bit more personal, and I have a lot going on this week, so I thought, why not? I'm currently having a little bit of a, how do I put this? A little freak out because I have so much real estate work to do. For those of you who don't know, I'm currently trying to get my Washington real estate license before I go to college in California, which gives me about a month to finish all the courses, study, take the exam, whatever. There's a lot of things that have been happening in my life recently that I have not been keeping you guys updated with, and I want to. Also, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I need to look here, but I'm just gonna turn the camera on, see what footage I can get. If I post it, if you guys see this footage, that means obviously I've got enough clips throughout the week. Yeah, I figured this way I can get content out for you guys while still staying true to what my life has actually been like recently, because I've been spending so much time on this. Okay, folks, you are, this is kind of risky. You're balancing on my towel holder. I am midway through getting ready. My friend and I are just gonna go take some cute little pictures, and then she's coming over for dinner. And I'm straightening my hair, but I thought I would come in and just that makes no sense. I thought I would just chat with you guys a little bit. I feel like my channel, I've been very confused about the content that I'm posting recently, just because I feel like I started this channel when I was 9 years old. I'm now 18, so there's definitely like a big swap in like who I am as a person, but obviously I still love cooking and I love food and everything, but there's also so many other things that I like and so much more content that I like creating. So I'm still trying to figure out how exactly I'm structuring it so that obviously I can keep food in there, but make it a little bit more personal for all of you so you can get to know me. So I'll give you a quick life update. Last night I talked a little bit about it, but I'm currently getting my real estate license, or I'm attempting is the key word, to get my real estate license in Washington. I'm going to college in the fall. I'm going to college in California. I love it there, so I'm so excited for that, but obviously it's a big transition and I think you'd be crazy not to be nervous. But I'm also a little bit nervous and curious to see how I'm gonna start, oh god, I almost burnt my head, how I'm going to transition over as far as like my channel and everything when I'm in college and how I want to run that. I'm gonna be coming home a lot. All my family is here. All of my friends are staying in Washington for college, so that part sucks, but also like when I come home, everyone is in one place, so that'll be like super nice. Maybe I do some like vlogs when I'm in college if you guys want to see that. Wow, my hair is really crispy today and like damaged. This is, I guess we're getting real deep. For those of you who have been watching my channel for a while, I'm sure you're used to my like the same kitchen, the same like sort of reddish orange counters, and the like wooden vibe of where I filmed my videos for years. But recently my videos have been in a new place, and that is because my mom moved into a new house. My parents just recently got a divorce this last February. Totally amicable, like it is about as smooth of a transition as I feel like a divorce could be. They have been so great about helping me and my sister through it. Everyone is on good terms, like it is totally fine. I just wanted to explain because I feel like I had the same background for like 6 years, and then all of a sudden it was like, oh hey, I didn't even like comment on it, and some of you had kind of guessed about my parents like in the comments of my video, so I figured I would just address that, which is why I have a new room. I'll give you a little room tour, shall we? Let me finish my hair really quickly, and then I will give you a little room tour of the room at my mom's house, because that's where I am right now. If you come out of my bathroom right here, we have a cute little mirror, my door, 2 closets, and then I have my little vanity right here, and then this is my room. I have clothes everywhere, so I'm not going to show you the floor. Just wanted to give you a quick explanation as to where I am. You will still see videos and clips at the other house that I grew up at because my dad lives there, but that's just why I have a new background, you know? We got extra places to film content. Emily's gonna be here in a little bit. I'll see if I can get some behind the scenes of us just taking some cute photos. Hello! I forgot to film everything. So we took some photos. We're no longer in the photo outfits. And then we had dinner. I'll show you what we had. I feel like I should get out my real vlog camera, but... So we already ate, but I'll just show you the gist of what we had. We did teriyaki chicken on the grill, white rice. What is this, Mom? It's like a carrot ginger salad dressing. And then we had some salad. Good morning. I woke up. I worked out, showered. I'm drinking my little protein shake. I'm obsessed with these little like shaker bottle cups. Anyways, I just got out of the shower. I have a lot of work to get done today. I am realizing how hard it is to vlog. Like, I never remember when I'm in the moment with friends, but I'll insert some fun like videos and photos that we took yesterday. Okay, here's where we're at. I had to wake up. Oh my god, I match. My nails match. The matching set from White Fox Boutique, if any of you care. So I had to wake up early to drive Lexi to a volleyball camp. So in the meantime, we have like no food in our house. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys the last meal prep I did with the steak and the green beans and the, you know. So good. I already blew through them. I had one a couple days ago, and then yesterday Emily, who you saw in my Mexico vlog, came over and I gave her the other one. We had the last two. So I decided yesterday that I was going to do another meal prep just because it was so easy. Okay, so last night I marinated some little chicken tender. I think these were tenders, or you can do thighs, breasts, whatever. I marinated it in, okay, this lighting is really wonky. I just marinated these in Italian dressing, and then I added some salt and pepper, some garlic, well, some garlic, salt, and pepper. Super simple. I'm literally just going to bake these and shred this up. I'm about to put my jasmine rice on the stove. I'll show you the brand that we use. This one, we just went through the bag. The Organic California White Jasmine Rice by Lundenburg Farms. Use whatever rice you want, brown rice, white rice, jasmine, sushi rice. I personally just really like jasmine rice. And I add a little bit of butter and I add a little bit of seasoning to my rice just because I feel like, I don't know, it makes it taste better. So in my little meal container thingy, which by the way, I just put these in the dishwasher. The ones I got off Amazon, I'll see if I can link it below. I didn't want to just get ones that I throw away every single time. I feel like that's such a waste and like really bad for the environment. So these ones, I just washed. They're beautiful, they're clean. So I'm gonna do the chicken and rice in here, and then I obviously wanted some veggies or some sort of fresh element. So I'm gonna do like a tomato, cucumber, red onion salad, if you will. I'm going to start my rice, get my chicken in the oven, and then just do a little bit of prep. The whole point of meal prepping is that you do it all once so that you don't have to deal with it later. Not gonna take too much time, honestly, because the meal prep I'm doing is just super simple. And that way when Lexi gets back from her camp, she has a lunch, I have a lunch. I don't know about you guys, but I never eat lunch. And if I do, it's usually just leftovers from dinner, but I'm sick of it or I don't wanna eat it again, whatever. So I usually just skip lunch because it's such a hassle to like cook in the middle of the day, and I always feel like I cook too much, whatever. So this way I feel like I'm still eating, but does this make any sense? I don't know if I'm the only person that struggles with this. So if you struggle with this too, try meal prepping your lunches rather than your dinners. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna get some B-roll footage. This lighting is so awful, you guys, I'm sorry. Alrighty, you guys, so I have mine and then Lexi's over here. So I did my chicken. I just cut it up because it's easier to eat out of these containers. I put, come on, focus. I don't know why it's not focusing. Everything but the bagel seasoning. I put that on top. I have my little cucumber tomato salad. I did some red onion, some lemon, garlic salt. This is just a little pasta salad we had left over from a little barbecue that I'm trying to go through. So I have mine right here with that pasta salad. And then with Lexi's, I just did the tomato cucumber. I didn't add everything but the bagel because I don't know if she likes it or not. We got 4 of them. Boom, bam. I'm gonna let them cool off so that the chicken and the rice don't steam the veggies when I put the lids on. I'm just gonna pop them in the fridge and we will be eating the first one today when Lexi gets home from practice.